Education Center of our city, Kanpur. Nearly 3,000 students enter the school portal every day, and we, as teachers, nurture and nourish them intellectually, physically, and morally. Since the inception in 1982, the school has grown from strength to strength. Singhanians are presented with opportunities and exposures that are a veritable smorgasbord of food for thought for both the institute and the scientific mind. At SPSCC, we have fully equipped state-of-the-art laboratories. The physics lab boasts of optical fiber kit, cathode ray, oscilloscope, function generator, laser, and visible spectrometer. Biology lab, it has thousands of specimens to teach botany and zoology at the school level. The ultra-modern and sophisticated biotech laboratories are the pride of the science school department. Here, the students learn and practice biochemical techniques like centrifugation, incubation, DNA separation, and several other modern cytogenetic experiments. The Biodiversity Museum of Taxonomy consists of various specimens that have been prepared from the material available in the school's botanical garden. The unique Museum of Paleontology is the first of its kind in any school savvy. CBT along with ODT, smart classes across the board in all 74 classrooms are the unique features that enhance computer-based pedagogical skills. Launching itself at International Forum, the school has decided to go global by getting involved in several projects by British Council, which involves extensive collaboration with connecting classrooms, global teacher accreditation, and student exchange program, among several others. And our school's march to glory continues unabated. I'm happy to share, very recently we were conferred with the prestigious Green School Award by Center for Science and Environment, Gover Times, for our exemplary work in environment conservation. The school also bagged the first position at the All India level for the brilliantly crafted project, Kaleidoscope, and Innovative Practices in Science Education. A specially designed robotics club functions effectively with active participation by students of classes 6 to 12. We also provide students the opportunity to experience learning avenues outside their education curriculum. Yes, sir. I would share through various projects. One is Disha, where we are teaching, there are slum dwellers in the nearby areas. They are being brought to the school. The students, they teach them, they educate them, give them vocational training, and their articles are displayed in school, and they are also sold off. We provide them financial help. Then the Schools on Wheel concept is also a unique project where we are, where we provide, we've adopted the schools and we are giving them proper education and ensuring that each one teach one concept in a society.
How many schools you have adopted?
So 5 schools.
Give vocational training.
Yes, sir.
How is that possible?
Sir, like they are taught how to make, it could be mat making, it could be soft toys. I'm basically talking about the project Disha, where the slum dwellers, they are, they come to the school and we provide them training in various areas according to their interest. It could be puppetry, it could be, various things.
But that is done by the school?
That is being done by the school.
More question. Your city is very sensitive for communal harmony. Are you doing anything for the community and culture?
Absolutely, sir. At a school level, as I've just shared, that we have won the first prize award in this Green School Award, where we are basically, conserving water, ecological conservation, and bringing the same awareness amongst the society through marches, through rallies. And then the people from the vicinity are also called, and we are conducting workshops and trainings. Even the parents are also invited to our schools. They address honorable jury to visit the website www.spscc.co.in and please give your valuable suggestions. because the time is less, so I do realize the importance. Yes, ma'am, please.
I just heard you said your school is around 31-year-old.
Yeah.
That's a long time for a school to be. So what is the special, you would like to mention? Any one thing,
I think, ma'am, we are simply, the science field is simply awesome. As I was sharing, Paleontology Museum is one of the museums across the country. It's one museum where we have fossils which are million years old, which have been brought from across the country, from various bears.
Probably your school implies that you need to have continuity
Yes, sir.
and consistency with the change.
Yes, sir.
So in the last 31 years, probably mobiles came in while you were in existence,
Yes, sir.
net came in while you were in existence,
Yes, sir.
and even more Maggie came in when you were in existence.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so people have changed, students have changed from being more hardworking to looking for more shortcuts. How do you deal with that?
Sir, trust me, for mobile phones, let me begin. Imagine there was a time that students were really fascinated and they were bringing the stuff, they were given warnings. We, were strict to an extent. We confiscated the same and told the parents that they would not be returned back. Imagine after a period of 1 year, it was with us, and after a period of 1 year when it was returned, the parents did realize that this kind of an act by the children, so hygienic food is available in the school canteen, and then we have a fixed menu. The fruit break is also a part in the morning schedule, and then we do ensure that students bring healthy tiffin. Not only the class teachers, but the
I just like to say change happens, it's inevitable.
yes, sir.
Rather than stopping it, let's accept it and do what we can do.
Thank you, sir.
Quickly rush through. We have Lucknow Public Schools and Colleges, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.